South African President Cyril Ramaphosa was lying that he doesn't know Wicknell. Yet, Wicknell is a recorded video that was sent to an individual by Wicknell as a weapon to blackmail. Salabina Masho Wabudanyo Pangwa Inoy on the Wicknell Chirayo, Pangwa Inoy Jomo Backfire, and Pangwa Inoy. Oya Achikanganisira, Cyril Ramaphosa. Cyril Ramaphosa Pangwa Inoy opens Pangwa Common South Africa. We do not know how this is going to end. But Pagai, Pasana Benamash Obdanyo Kopangwa Inoy, and was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Continue find the link and Obdanyo Achitin. Wicknell is a recorded video that was sent to an individual by Wicknell as a weapon to blackmail, and in return, Wicknell has gotten his ex-wife arrested because he assumed she was the one who forwarded the video to people like Matinyarare. Why not think of his victims? What if the video came from the person he was threatening? This is wrong. Wicknell must stop using the police for his shenanigans. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ine arikuno kunza aiwa ngomana aishanisa these pictures nima videos kutretena pangchetena ku blackmailer but pangwa ino the outcome nono kunzi yodzoka aiwa yakuya pangwa ino ichipinza Wicknell jikaya pangwa yakaoma boza mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pe chitiko ichi na comment section yedu za funguro enyu. Subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.